Hola chicos y chicas, this is the notes over the word ir, which means to go. Like always, first things first, this paper is about conjugating. So what is conjugating? So conjugating is changing the verb to match who is doing it. We've done this several times, and this is another one of these conjugation papers, but it's a different word. And it's a special word, so it needs its own set of notes. So what type of verb is it? Well, it's the word ir. Ir is very short. It's only an IR, but ir actually means something. Ir means to go. As in, me gusta ir al cine. I like to go to the theater. Me gusta ir. So ir, to go. Alright, and this is called an irregular because it means it doesn't, oh, I misspelled that. It doesn't follow a pattern. A pattern like o, as, a, amos, an. So it doesn't follow that. That's why it's called irregular. That's why it needs its own set of notes. So anything that doesn't follow a pattern will be regular. Regular. They follow patterns. Irregulars don't follow patterns. Okay. So this is how ir conjugates. I'm going to write ir here so that we know what we're talking about. Ir, to go. Alright, so this should look familiar. We've done this a bunch of times. So the first thing is yo. To say I go, we can't just say yo ir. That would be wrong. So we have to conjugate. We have to change the word to match yo, the person that's doing it. So yo voy. I go. Remember that song, No voy a levantarme? Means I'm not going. Yo voy. I go. Tú vas. That means you go. Usted, that means you formal. He, él, ella, she. Usted, él, and ella, va. Va means he goes or she goes, or you formal. Next. Nosotros and nosotras. To say we go, it's nosotros or nosotras. Vamos. You hear this a lot in Spanish, like vamos or vámonos. And the last one, y'all, ustedes, ellos, ellas, they, van. We've seen van a lot in Capybara con Botas when we said things like Carlos y el mono van al volcán. Alright, the practice questions. So I got my chart here. I got my questions here. So, yo, this is a person that's doing this. And in this case, this person is like going, because that's what we're talking about, going. I go, you go, he goes. So, let's just simply match it with the chart. Yo is here. And voy right there. So it's yo voy. It's that simple. It's that easy. Let's do number 2. 2. So this person is doing that, which is going. So 2, very simple when it's like this because we can see it here. Tú goes right here. Tú vas. And that's how these work. All right, let's do the rest. Number 3, número 3, Sam. So we know that this is one person, Sam. There's no one else in this sentence, so it's only Sam. That's very simple because we look at this side of the chart, which is this verb, these here. So we don't see Sam's name. And when we don't see Sam's names, we just got to do a little extra step. Do we see the word yo? No, so it's not that. Do we see the word tú here? No, so it's not that. We know it's not more than one person, so we eliminate all of that. It gives us either usted, él, and ella. It's not you, formal. It's not she. It's él, he. And since we were able to cross all of these out, our verb is Sam va. Let's do number 4. Pablo y yo. Oh, look at that. We have one person and we have yo. So that means there's two people here. So it cannot be this side. That means it cannot be this verb. It says y yo. Remember, if it says y yo, it means and I. Y yo means that I am included. I'm included in addition to Pablo, or Pablo in this case. So that means that there's two of us, and it's we. So this means we. Nosotros, nosotras. So our verb to say we go is vamos. So, vamos. Number 5. Henry, that's one person. Y ella, and her, that's another. Total of 2. Okay, so there's 2. Cannot be this side. It's that. Cannot be this side either of the verbs. It cannot be nosotros because remember, for it to be nosotros, it must say y yo. It doesn't say y yo. Look, it says Henry y ella. It does not say y yo. So it cannot be that, which means it cannot be this, and it cannot be vamos. Your answer is van. They go. Number 6 through 10. Alright, it says, Señor Marín, that means Mr. Marín, usted, you. So Mr. Marín, you. So this means that we're talking to Mr. Marín, but we just need to find usted. It's right there. This means usted. So because we're using this subject, it means that we need to use that verb. It only matches with that. 7. Tú y ella. Okay. Here's one that might be tricky. We have tú y ella. So we know that there's 2. I'm talking to one plus ella, plus she. So if it's more than one person, remember, that means we're left with 2 options. It's either going to be vamos or van. Remember, the only way it's going to be the vamos is if it's we. Is it we? Does it say y yo and I? Does it? Does it? No, doesn't say y yo. So it cannot be the nosotros form. So it's van. Y'all go. Número 8. Mi calculadora. Okay, here's the problem. Mi calculadora is a thing. Nothing here is a thing, which means that it's going to be hard to find the verb here. But it's not that hard. Mi calculadora is one calculator. Okay, well, these are used for multiple. Does this sentence say yo? Nope. Does it say two? Nope. So our only option, therefore, is va. And that is right. Va is used for one object, like mi calculadora, my calculator, one of them. Va. Number 9. Los estudiantes. Los estudiantes means the students. More than one. Notice. Students. Estudiantes. Okay, we know the drill. If it's more than one, we can't use these sections of the chart. Even though you are a student, the sentence does not say y yo. Since it doesn't say y yo, then we have to eliminate. Even though you are a student, the sentence does not say you're included. So you cannot have nosotros. So your answer, your verb, is going to be van. The students go to see a video. And finally, número 10. Number 10, los lápices. That is pencils. Pencils, more than one. That's only for one. Does it say and I? Does it say and I? No, it just says the pencils. So eliminate it. Eliminate it quick. Means you eliminate that and look at that. That's the only option, which is the answer. Los lápices van. The pencils go on top of the table. That's it.